What's up, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Ernie, and this is my garage, where I've been trying to get my cars track ready for a couple of years now. But, you know, I've had a couple of setbacks, like the E92. The E92 is partially down, but I want to start working on the E46. So what I'm gonna do today is get all my stuff ready in these boxes here, and we're gonna start working on the car. Not today, but that video will be ready by next week. I got some parts coming in from China, some from other places. Yes, China parts are expensive these days. I do most of my shopping on eBay, FCP, stuff like that. But that being said, I'm gonna start putting all my stuff together. I also want to know if my engine support bar, where did I leave that screw? I want to know if it'll fit and support, or do I have to order another one? Okay. All right. Of course, gotta look for it somewhere around here. If not, I'll just have to use the jack. Either way, the engine must be supported. I'll look for that later on. I need to find the screw and see if I can get it in there. But as I was saying, the E92 is down, and I'm trying to get it back up and running because I'm in the process of tuning the E92. Once that's done, I also have another little piece I'm gonna include on the E92. Not going to port injection. The Reman high pressure fuel pump that I bought for the E92, it's gone bad again. I know what it is. Like, you drive it, it feels like it's not getting that much power. It's beginning to like shut off and go bad. I know. I should have bought a BMW part, but yeah. All right, so cool, it's a hook. So let me get this on here. Just get this engine support bar on here. Let me set this down for a second. Okay, that's it. We didn't have to screw anything in, just needed to hook it in, and it's supported somewhat. I'll tighten it up when we get to work. All right, so I'm gonna begin working on this throughout the week. I'm gonna try and make the video about keep it in 2 videos. We also need to torque down the valve cover gasket. It has been leaking, and I'm guessing it's because of the way it's torqued down. So I'm gonna look in the book and see if I can find the pattern to go back around it again and make sure it's nice and tight. But yes, guys, that's about it. We've got to go underneath. We've got to go to the engine bay. We've got more parts coming. Once again, I'm Ernie, and I will see you guys in the next video. Get out of here. But come back next week, because we've got more work to do. We got to get this track ready. And we definitely can't race in these wheels. Okay, let's take this car out. I haven't driven it in a minute. It's hard at work. haven't driven you in a minute, baby. All right, let's hit the road. Drive, man. It's nice out. 70 or 74 degrees. And we're cruising.